Welcome, friends! Wanna hunt for the best deals together? Subscribe to join me and check links below. Everyone assumes a whitening strip must burn your gums to work, yet this peroxide-free formula proves the opposite. Early field data shows brightening after just a single night, the enamel-safe polymer coating leaving no tingling, so the first morning after a 9-treatment cycle felt like a gentle rinse rather than a harsh bleach. Mid-cycle signals reveal that the shade shift continues steadily, even without the usual sensitivity spikes that plague conventional kits, and the translucent film adheres snugly, preventing drip-off during coffee sips. By the end of the 1-month program, the grin retained a natural sparkle, resisting stain pickup during a weekend pizza outing. Verdict: perfect for anyone who craves a radiant smile without the pain, especially the detail-oriented professional who values subtle, lasting results.